Hello, my favorite people. Welcome back. In today's video, I will be giving you step-by-step tips on how to layer your bed and how you can make it look cozy and fluffy while making it comfortable.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
So we're going to start with the basics and we're going to go from the bottom layer to the top. First, I like to put a mattress cover on my bed. Not only does this help to protect the mattress, but if you find one that has a little extra filling, it does give some extra padding, and I find that it helps me to sleep more comfortably throughout the night. Now, once I have the mattress cover on, next I'm going to add a fitted sheet. Now, I personally really like the bamboo sheets. They're very soft, and it seems like they actually regulate my temperature at night too, so I don't get too hot or too cold, and they wash really well. And once I have the fitted sheet on, the next step is to lay a flat sheet on top of the fitted sheet. Now I want to make sure that both sides are even, but I'm not going to tuck it in, so don't tuck it in yet. And for the next layer, I'm going to add a quilt. Now I really like this quilt. I found this on Amazon, and it has a real velvety texture to it in like a channel stitch. It's so pretty. And what I really like about this quilt is it actually has a really soft underside to it, so it adds an extra layer of warmth. So if you have a tendency to get cold at night, this is a nice type of quilt to add a little bit of warmth, and it actually also adds a little layer of fluff to your bed. And once the quilt is on top of the flat sheet, then tuck all of this underneath the mattress. Like the bottom 2/3 is where I tuck this in. Now you can neatly fold the corners after tucking in the bottom sides. And if you fold the bottom edge forward, then tuck it in, it'll give you a really nice crisp line. And it looks really nice, like something you would see in a hotel. If this is your first time joining, welcome! And thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lisa, and I love sharing different DIY projects, home decor, cleaning, and motivational videos. Now, if you enjoyed this type of content, please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuing support. So once I get those corners done at the bottom of the bed, next I fold my flat sheet and the quilt back, and that will actually add another layer to the bed. And since our bed is a king size bed, when you buy sheet sets, if you buy the entire set, they don't come with the standard size pillows. And for our bed, we use standard size pillows. So I do like to tuck the ends of those larger pillowcases in for a neater look. This also makes it easier if you don't have the right size pillowcase, that you can just tuck in the end by lifting up right at the edge of the pillow. You can tuck the excess material into the pillow and just have that on the back side. And for the pillows, I also have the Euro shaped pillows. So these are 28-inch pillows, and I put them into a 26-inch Euro sham. By adding the larger insert into the pillow sham, it really makes the pillows more fluffy. And next, I'll add 2 decorative pillows in front of the Euro pillows. In case you were wondering, these are 22-inch pillows. And then finally, I have one smaller pillow that I set in front of the 22-inch pillows to really bring the entire look together. And then I'll add our comforter to the end of the bed. Now this comforter is more of a bedspread type, which for me I really like because it already has the dust ruffle that's a part of the bedspread. Now this isn't quite as fluffy, say, as a duvet cover or a comforter, but if you have a duvet that has a really fluffy insert in it, or if you have a comforter, and this is the super secret tip of how those fancy stores make those beds look so fluffy. You put the comforter at the end of the bed, then you fold it in half, and then you fold it one more time, so almost in a third. And although my bedspread isn't quite as fluffy as those comforters or duvet covers, I think you still get the idea. And I really think if you have this on your own bed, you will see amazing results, and it will really tie the entire look together. And the best part about this bedspread, or actually any part of the bed that I have, everything is machine washable, which is really nice, and it makes it more convenient for caring for my own bedding. And if you're curious, I have left links in the description box below in case you would like to know about any of the pieces that I have included in my own bed. Lastly, I'm adding a throw blanket to the end of the bed, not only for decorative purposes, but it does add a little bit of extra texture to my bed, and having a throw blanket on the end of your bed really comes in handy if you need something nice and cozy to cover up in. So now that you've created this beautiful bed, you want to create the mood. So you could light a candle and relax in your beautifully layered, comfortable, and styled bed. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I know for most people, making their bed just isn't their favorite thing to do. But by keeping your bedroom clean and clutter-free and also smelling good, it'll help you to relax and unwind in the evening. And it does help you to sleep better. Your bed should be the most comfortable place in your home. And just by taking a little extra time, not only to make your bed, but have some forethought into the comfort. And once you've done it and you can see how amazing you can make your bed look, I really think you'll enjoy it too. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's see how many people we can get to have a beautiful and comfortable bed. So until the next video, bye-bye for now.